What's up with y'all boys, man? It is your boy Game with Jamo back with another video, man. Yo, today I got another video for y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? It's a cool, simple, clean shoe, you know what I'm saying? Shoe unboxing video, you know what I'm saying? Now, I had some other new shoes, you know what I'm saying? The Jordan, I believe 5s, Jordan 5 off-white muslins. Now, I didn't do an unboxing video on that. I don't know why. I really don't know why, but I mean, if you guys still want the shoe video, I mean, they still pretty clean, you know what I'm saying? They still pretty new, so I mean, just let me know if y'all still want it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you like this video up, and I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let the box do the revealing itself, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say too much until I unbox the, unbox the shoe. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this video, man. Alright, so got my handy dandy pen, you know what I'm saying? My personal box up cutter, opener, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now this is my first time buying a pair of these shoes right here, you know what I'm saying? I get my shoes off the Go app, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, if y'all interested in like where I get my shoes from, I get it from the Go app. Y'all can get it on iPhone and stuff like that. So, and yeah, I mean, one more time, I'm gonna shout out my boy Vaughn, you know what I'm saying? I never did freaking shoe reveal, box reveal, whatever you want to call it. Never did any type of video like this, so I want to shout out my boy Vaughn for this, you know what I'm saying? So this, so Alexander McQueen's. Focus. Alexander McQueen's. The box is pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? I never had these shoes ever. Like, this is my first time, you know what I'm saying, getting a pair of these. So I mean, the box is pretty nice, pretty simple, pretty stylish, you know what I'm saying? Once again, I'm gonna show the front so y'all boys can see it, you know what I'm saying? Then got like this little symbol on the back. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. So I ordered like these black and white ones, you know what I'm saying? Because I got like, you know, some stuff going on. So I'm gonna show y'all the results tomorrow if y'all would like, you know what I'm saying? They go to wrapping paper. I'm messing with it so far, you know what I'm saying? Now these are also better for goat, you know what I'm saying? So this shoe right here. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can like use this like, you know, as a shoe like when you go out, you know what I'm saying, go on a date, it's like a wedding. I mean you can do anything like with these shoes, like, you know what I'm saying? So like, I mean, these shoes, like, I don't know, bro, like you can like technically go out and wear anything with these, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't say like a party or anything, but you know what I'm saying, like something occasional, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, these shoes is pretty nice. Now, like I said, my first time having these shoes, you know what I'm saying? It's a good first impression, you know what I'm saying? So I'll let y'all boys know that focus for a little bit. Yeah, these are pretty nice shoes, I'm not gonna lie. Then, it's just simple up top, you know what I'm saying? Alexander McQueen's. Now, I love the bottom, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like the creativity on the bottom and stuff like that, then it comes back simple on top, you know what I'm saying? Like these some pretty nice shoes. So like I said, first time buying these shoes, like I said, buy it off a Go. There we go. Bought it off a Go. Yeah, bro. I mean, it's pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty nice. So I mean, like, what would you guys wear with these shoes? You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let's bring it in a little bit, let it focus. Like, what would you guys wear with these shoes? Cause like I said, I mean, it's not like really like a party type, but like a wedding, you know what I'm saying? Get together, just to go on like on a date or something, or just go out like going out to dinner or something, like just something really really simple, you know what I'm saying? Well, trying to get the bottom one more time. Pretty nice shoes, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So I mean, I'm gonna show y'all, cause I got a photo shoot tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all the outcome, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully they get like some real nice shoe pics in there, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to flex the bottom out and see I'm gonna see what I can do, you know what I'm saying? That's why, you know what I'm saying, got that fresh cut, you got that fresh cut, yes sir. Shout out my brother, man. But yeah, man, yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I mean, this wraps up the video, you know what I'm saying? So make sure I like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all boys later, man. Peace.